Hello friends, welcome to the Score More Aptitude channel. So in this video, we will see another type of coding and decoding problem. So in this video, we will see the letter coding type of problems. Okay. So in the coding and decoding, we will see the problems based on letter coding. Okay, letter coding. So what is letter coding? So in letter coding, the word and its decoding word and its coded word both are going to be contain the same kind of letters. Okay, so the word and its coded word both are going to be contain the same kind of the letters, but actually their order is jumbled. So we need to find that jumbled order in finding the coding word of a given word. Okay, so let us assume, let us take one question and solve based on the letter coding. So in a certain code language, in a certain code language, give is written as VIEG, VIEG, and over is written as EVRO. Over is written as EVRO. How will how will disk be how will disk be written in that same code, in that same code? Okay, so if you observe that give is written as VIEG. So if you observe this one, the give and the VIEG contain the same kind of the letter. So V is here, V is here, I is here, I is here, and G, and if you take this over is written as EVRO. So this over and EVRO consist of actually same kind of the letter. So when the word and its coded word both contain the same kind of letters, then it is called as letter coding. Okay, so whenever this problems based on the letter coding is given, so you need to draw the mapping. Okay, you need to draw the mapping from the given word to the and its coding. Let us take that give, GIVE, is coded as VIEG, VIEG. So now you draw the map. So first one is moved to the fourth one, and the second one is in the position of the second one, and the third one is in the position of first one, and the fourth one is in the position of second one. Okay, so now over is written as EVRO. So OVER, over is written as EVRO. So if you see this one, the first one is coded, I mean moved to the fourth position, and second one is in the second position, and the third one is moved to the first position, and the fourth one is moved to the second position. So if you observe these two, actually both are following the same pattern. So we have to follow the same pattern for the disk also. So DISK. So the first one is moved to the fourth position in the both these coding letters. So that's why actually the first one is going to be moved to fourth position, and the second one in the both the cases in the second position only. So this I is here only, and third one is moved to the first position. So that's why S is going to be moved to the first position, and the fourth one is moved to the third position, right? So that's why K will come here. So that means actually disk is coded as SIKD. So that means actually the disk is coded as SIKD. Okay. So whenever there is a letter coding, that means the given word and its coding word is going to be contains the same kind of the letters. You need to solve this one mapping. Okay, this kind of mapping. Okay. So in this question, the disk is actually coded as SIKD. Okay, so I hope you got this one. So thank you very much for watching this video. If you have any doubt, please leave a comment and please subscribe my channel. So thank you once again.